Hello people, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making a pull-out card. Inside you can write your own message. The inside of the card looks like this. To make the card you will need some textures. You could alternatively use colored pencils or paint. An A4 size of paper, which is recommended. So, how to make the card? Fold the piece of paper over. Fold in the corners to the center and bring them all to the center. Repeat the same for the other side. Then, bring the top and make it meet in the middle. Do the same for the other side. Bring it to meet the center crease. After this, you bring in the top and meet it so it creates a hexagonal shape. So now you have these two triangles on either side. It looks a bit like this. Now, flip the piece of paper over, and now you can use the color pencils or textures or paint and write your own message or put a drawing into it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe if you have not already done. Now, how to fold up the card. To fold up this card, you have to think of it very intuitively, and you must have the creases precise. So, you fold the top in and bring it approximately so that the tip of the triangle is at the top. Pull up the card and show it to the camera, please. Thank you. Bring it down a bit. We couldn't see it that time. Thank you. Okay, now, to do the next part, you have to bring it over and do the same on the other side. Bring it so that the triangle tip is at the top. Now, for the slightly tricky bit, you must tuck them in. If you have done it correctly. If you have done it accidentally and you have done it incorrectly, there is still a way to do it. You bring it in like that, and there will be these two pockets at the sides. If we could just show it to the camera, there's these two pockets. You insert the two parts of the card into those two pockets. Do the same on the other side, and voila, you have your own pop-up card. You can write your own message at the front if you want, or you could even just write pull. And voila, you have your own pull-up card. You could even add your own decorations at the front if you wanted to. And if you wanted to pull out the card, this is how you pull out the card. Pull. It may take a bit of encouragement for it to come out. And then you get the card's message. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for future videos.